We used to say that Nnewi is the Japan of Africa because then Japan was the automobile hub of the world. But now, I think it is right to say that Nnewi is the China of Africa because right now, China is the automobile hub of the world. So in this video, I will show you how a motorcycle is being coupled in Nnewi market. This is a normal scenario in Nnewi market. Every corner of the market, bikes being coupled, bikes, new one, old one being sold. People coming from different parts of Nigeria and Africa to Nnewi in Anambra State to buy bikes. And you can see artisans, those that repair bikes, those that couple bikes, those that render different services surrounding that automobile. Nnewi is that big in automobile, and that is why it's called the automobile hub of Africa. So this day, stay tuned here and see a bit of how a bike is being coupled from scratch. You can see what they are doing. They are coupling the bike. This one, someone just bought it and they are coupling it for the person. And guess what? These guys that do this, they charge good amount coupling these bikes. And in one day, one person might couple up to 5 bikes. These guys really make good money just coupling bikes inside this market. So, have you heard about Nnewi market before? The Nnewi automobile market. Have you been here before? Are you intending to buy a bike? Make sure you reach out and you get any kind of bike you want at the best price.
Major.